Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually change the theme of your website. So without any further talking, let's go ahead and start this tutorial by going to our dashboard, which is wordpress.com/wp-admin. From there, this page will be open. For you guys who doesn't know how to open it, you go here and you put your username and password, just like so. So right after you do so, what you'll have to do is go to your appearance, and from here we'll find all of these themes. So add new. In here you will find all of that gallery of I don't know, call it what you want, of themes. You find popular here, the latest. For example, let's click in here and write something like technology. So this is the themes that has related to technology. If you make something like sports, you will find also stuff that has related to sports. For example, this is gaming export. So let's choose this one and let's install it by click on install. So that's how we click on install and it will be installed. Now let's wait a little bit until it will be fully installed. It's not really that slow. It will take a couple seconds. Now what we'll have to do is click on activate and wait again a couple seconds. And from here, guys, they will give you everything about this this theme. So if you right here, there is some information about it, and there is theme settings, etc, etc. So let's go back again, and from here, guys, what you'll have to do is this theme has this recommended following plugins. You'll have to download all of these plugins in order to get the same page or the same example as they showed you in that picture, which is something like that. So after clicking on all of these plugins and activating them, this plugin will be ready for you to use. But unless you do that, the plugin or the page will be looking something like that. So yeah guys, that was how you can actually change your theme. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.